Success is when your signature turns into your autograph by Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam. With this goal, let's begin our today's program with a prayer. I invite Sai Meera to evoke the prayer song. She has acted as a commission member to the affiliated colleges of Bhatia University. Dr. Lata Ma'am was selected to be a member in the Board of Studies of the Business Administration Department of Colleges affiliated to Bhatia University. She has organized several seminars and workshops, served as a resource person at various colleges. Currently, Ma'am teaches on labor legislation, industrial relations and labor welfare, workplace counseling, entrepreneurship and family business management, and so on. She has done our research on doctoral research, the role of pursuing occupational stress, personality traits and emotional intelligence on organizational basis. She published various articles and research papers, namely a study on both factors influencing consumer behavior towards cosmetics, special preference of Chennai City, International Journal of Applied Research and many more. She has secured licenses and certifications. Certified ISO auditor, IBM, SPSS Essential, Statistics Made Easy. We are very happy to have such a renowned person in our midst. We welcome you, ma'am.
Be very friendly and please look me as your teachers, how they will teach, and be very casual. Don't have some kind of some restrictions that these are resource person and I will be a part of you, and be very casual, and whatever question is being posted on you, whether you know or not, please give me some answer. That will be some kind of encouragement to the resource person like us. Okay? Today's job given to me is to conduct a workshop on problem solving and ideation. Problem solving and are you not able to hear me? Backside? You have to read. Okay, so before getting into problem solving, I just wanted to know whether you have the knowledge on entrepreneur. We should know certain basic concepts like who is an entrepreneur, what do you mean by entrepreneurship, then we will come to the topic of problem solving and ideation. Am I clear? So, have you heard about entrepreneur? Who is an entrepreneur? Start business. Very good. I hope you are very good, intelligent, and you are taking my job very easy. So, concepts of entrepreneurship, functions of entrepreneurship. What is a problem? Because the topic given is problem solving and ideation. What is a problem? How are you going to identify a problem? And what are the techniques you are going to take over for solving the problem? And from this problem, what is the idea you are going to get, and that you are going to convert it into a business? Because I hope how many of you are having a business? Or how many of you are in your family, any one of you are doing a business? Yes, you are not going to be a future entrepreneur. So you may be having some idea behind that. So I want in the classroom of 40 or 100, all the 100, 80 or 90% to be an entrepreneur. Because anything. So for that, instead of being working under another person, if we have some other people to work under us, that is a great thing. Yes, we are achieving something. We are the boss, and we can decide whatever we want. Okay, so entrepreneur is nothing but the person who initiates, who starts up the business, okay, who runs the business, who is going to invest money, and he is going to take more risk. If you are taking more risk, more profit will be there. If you don't want to take risk, profit is also going to be less. Okay, that is called as an entrepreneur. The process of starting the business is called as entrepreneurship. Okay, the entrepreneurship is nothing but it is the activity, the ability, the readiness to develop, organize, and run a business enterprise. Okay, along with any of the uncertainties. Definitely, business means lot of uncertainties will be there. What do you mean by uncertainties? What do you mean by uncertainties? Cannot be predicted. You cannot see rain. It is an uncertainty. Sometimes the rain may come, sometimes the rain may not come. You cannot predict that at 10:45, 10:46 the rain will come exactly. Okay, uncertainties will be there, and we should ready to take that uncertainties, solve the risk. If you are undertaking more risk, more reward will be given to the entrepreneur. Reward is nothing but profit. Am I clear, girls? Any doubt over here? So entrepreneur is going to invest the capital, he is going to give products, and he is going to find the customer. Based on the needs of the customer, the products will be tailor-made, and that is given to the community. That is called as business model. What is the marketing needs? Okay, what is the need of the market? So based on the need of the market, what you have to do is that they have to tailor-make the product, because customers' taste and preference is not going to be same always. One day we will be liking this particular color, but after a day we won't be liking. Capital, technology, and human talent. What do you mean by capital? Money is required to start the business. Technology. Now you want to use a technology. If you are not using the technology, without technology you will not be able to do the business. So technology is also required, and human talent. The brain. Your brain is required. You have to invest your brain. By means of your brain, you are going to bring, you are going to adopt, you are going to innovate new products. So it is the fusion of capital, technology, and human brain. Okay, human talent. And different entrepreneurs, they will be having common traits, but each one is unique. Google entrepreneur, he is different. His brain is different. Okay, Facebook, his brain is different. Zomato, he will be working on his own talent. You cannot. Everybody is unique in doing their business, but there are certain common traits will be followed for doing the business, but they will be having a unique characteristics. are running. I am best in this. My skill is this. I am best at this. Okay, I can do this when compared. I can do this as a best when compared to the other person. So every person is unique. I am unique in singing. My voice is different when compared to others because no human beings are same. Okay, no human beings are same. That's why we studied about the personalities, traits of personalities and all. So every human being is different. So entrepreneurship, they have different and some unique qualities. Am I clear? The next. Starts with you. Your startup starts with you. What do you mean by that? Your startup. What is your startup? Your business. Your business is going to start with how? Why? Because that is your brainchild. You are having some problem. You have identified that problem. You have find out the solution, and that solution is nothing but your creativity, out of box thinking. Okay, I see all the people for a small example. Being a women group, I just wanted to say we people are very much interested in the cosmetics. People are very much interested in the accessories. Okay, accessories, the handmade accessories. You may be seeing lot of varieties, lot of different colors. Yes, the people they are investing their brain, the people they are investing their skills, the people they are investing their creativity. Because of that, even if it is a common product, what we are doing, we are forced to buy that product. We don't have idea of purchasing that product, but we are forced. Now Amazon is doing excellent business because of us. Because he understands what is the need for the customer. He understands what is the taste for the customer. Okay, so every day he will be doing his research. Once you should not be happy. I started my business, I am happy with that. No, you have to keep doing the research. Because I told you already, today you may be liking this product, but after going from this hour, you may be thinking, no, I don't want to buy this product. Even food items. We have in our brain. See, after the session, I have to go and eat noodles, hot noodles from the canteen. But after going to the canteen, you will be seeing some pasta or something, and you change your mind. No, I don't want noodles, I want to eat pasta. Yes, this is happening or not? So, you should not underestimate your customer. You have to find out who is your market, okay, and what is the actual needs of the market, and based on the actual needs, you are going to prepare your product. That's why I just wanted to start up this workshop. Your startup starts with you. Everything lies on your hand, based on your out-of-box thinking. That will become a very great success. Then you will get an idea. Yes, from tomorrow onwards, I have to prepare this way because everyone is appreciating me. But I planned something else, but it went on. So, no idea, you cannot get the idea, a very big idea from the first day onwards. You have to think, okay, you have to think, and you will be starting your process. While starting that process, what will happen is that you will be going somewhere wrong, or that will be misleading you to somewhere else, and sometimes that misleading will end up you with a very big success. I want to rectify her problem. She is having a problem of eating. I have to rectify her problem. Is it a problem? No. Then what is the problem? Exactly, very good. Give her a very good. We will be having a personal problem. We will be having problem in our professional life. We will be having problem in the community. வரும்போது நான் ரோட்ல சண்டை போட்டுருக்கோம். சரியா? அவன் ரோட்ல வந்து டிராஃபிக் ரொம்ப பிளாக் ஆயிருக்கும். நம்ம வழி விட்டுக்க மாட்டான். நம்மள திட்டிட்டு போவான். நம்ம நல்லா ஒழுங்கா ஓட்டி போனாலும் அவன் நம்மள வந்து இடிப்பான். கம்யூனிட்டி personal life, a problem may encounter in professional life. When you go to office, when you go to work, 10 machinery or 30 maintenance பண்ணி oil ஊத்தி lubricant போட்டு we can make it to work very very effectively. But ஒரு சின்ன பார்வை பார்த்தாலே ஐயோ மேடம் என்னை முறைச்சிட்டாங்கன்னு சொல்லி அழுதுட்டு they will go and do something else. It is a very very big problem to handle human beings because we do not know what mood they are coming. Mood swings are more nowadays. People are not understanding that whatever is being told, it is being told for their personal goodness. புரியுதா? நமக்கு நல்லதா சொன்னாங்கன்னா okay it is good, ma'am is very very good, she is very nice. நம்மள ஏதாவது கொஞ்சம் திட்ட மாதிரி ஏதாவது சொல்லிட்டாங்க no no she is very bad teacher. What of the feedback 3 2 3 1. Yes, that is happening. Okay, so the problem may arise in personal life, professional life and community. Whatever problem that is very very daunting to us. தூக்க வருதாமா? நல்ல தூக்க வருதா மட்டும் கண்ண அப்படியே மூடுது. Whatever problem it is will be very very daunting. Daunting என்ன? What do you mean by daunting? பயமா இருக்கும். ஐயோ the problem வந்துச்சு. How am I going to solve it? Am I able to overcome this problem or not? So all problem may be daunting. But what you have to do is that you have to take time to solve, to get the solution. Whatever you like, you drink, sit calmly. The mind will become calm. Yes, and you will be able to think lot of ideas. See, I would have done like this. I would have spoken like this to that person instead of shouting. I would not have used that word. Am I clear? So, for any problem, whatever the problem may be the smallest one, or the problem may be the biggest one, or the problem may be a middle, whatever it may be, what you have to do is that you have to give some time, okay, to find out a very good solution to the problem. That is very very important. Am I clear? Yes. So for getting that, what you have to do, I told you that you have to give some time, and based on that only you have to be able to get the solution. So once the problem is lying in front of you, you have to gather information about the problem. You have to gather information about the problem, and where that information, what you have to do is that you have to put it on the paper, and then you have to interpret that problem, analyze that problem. In this way you have to think. So how will you gather information about the problem? The first step is, the first important thing is that you have to ask lot number of why questions. For example, podcast. P-O-D-C-A-S, example. Podcast is music. If a number of listeners for the podcast is coming down, the person he has observed that number of viewers for the podcast is coming down. Why? Why number of podcast viewers are coming down? Or take an example, apartment. You join Kanika Parameshwari, but your proper is Tirunelveli. So now you are taking a place, an apartment in Paris, and you are staying with your friend. Your friend is leaving and he is going to some other apartment. You will not able to pay that full rent by yourself. You feel that it is very costly. So you want to shift that apartment from Paris to some other place. See, I have to pay like this. So my neighbors are so and so. Am I clear? And I have to get into that room, into the apartment by 8 o'clock or 7 o'clock or 6 o'clock, whatever it may be. The traveling distance for me from my college to my apartment is 5 hours, 2 hours, 3 hours or 15 minutes. So you have to connect, discuss the other information. Am I clear? And then what you have to see, based on this study, towards the end, I will be giving you an exercise. You have to write a problem. Okay, minimum 3 problems you have to identify. Now, write down the problem in words. I stay in this apartment. If I select this apartment, I will be having good company. I will be having in a long words, 10 words, the big sentence. You write that information, whatever gathered. Because instead of thinking, if you put anything on paper, if you see that, I always see my generation, I don't know about madam, I myself and all, I will be very, very comfortable to look hard copy rather than soft copy. I will not be able to. So what example I have given here? Clear. The total is talking about the problem apartment. For example, another example. Children, they are going to make their brain active. That itself is a problem, you find solution. Unga set you panninaale, that itself is a, what do you call it? It's a great achievement. Am I clear? So problem, all of you are clear with what is the problem? Examples are sufficient? Yes. Right? So, you find out the problem. You want to solve the problem. So, solving requires only if you define the problem correctly, you will be able to find out the solution. Solving is nothing but you want to find out the solution. Tirupati Q1, I am control panna pora. How am I going to reduce the waiting period? 3 hours, 4 hours, I am how I will be able to do that? If you do out of box thinking, definitely we will be able to get this. Subjects na படிக்கிறோம் இல்லையா அதுல என்ன இது LPA problems படிப்போம் இல்லையா home students கிடையாது operation research கிடையாதா
yes
okay so for problem solving what are the key skills required? Active listening. Observe பண்ணிட்டே இருக்கணும் யாராவது ஏதாவது ஒரு பத்தி பேசுறாங்கன்னா you should not think why I should listen to that. What is the necessity for me to listen that? I don't have any problem. You have to listen. Actively you have to listen. Am I clear? Actively. Why? The number of stakeholders in cinema theater is now less. What can I do for increasing? Because they are investing a lot, huge amount on these cinemas. Only people visit movie, the theater people will be able. What are the skills required for solving the problem? Suppose if you want to start a business, you have a new idea, you want to start a business, yes? What you have to do is that you should take a piece of paper. This is a small exercise. You have to identify at least 2 to 3 skills. What I am best at. I may be very good. Very good.
Because of a single piece comment.
It's my privilege to propose the vote of thanks. First and foremost, I would like to extend my Almighty for giving this gift. I extend my gratitude to our management members